Have you ever performed with a group where you did a pretty bad job, and then next week you performed with another group where you did your best work? Well, you didn't magically get better in the span of a week. You are more or less the same musician in both situations. What probably happened is you were influenced by the culture. The culture at one institution enabled you to do your best, while the other brought out the worst in you. I've experienced this personally, and I know I'm not alone. Especially for musicians working in many environments, this roller coaster ride can create so much doubt in our abilities. Sometimes it is you, and more often than not, it's the culture. We all want to be our best and do our best, so it's important to create cultures that enable our best. Check out the post below for 4 ways we can start doing this. My name is Tiffany Chang, and this is Conductor as CEO, where I'm curious about ideas to help us become better arts leaders. If these ideas resonate with you, please consider subscribing in the link below to receive an email with each new blog post sent directly to your inbox. Thank you and have a great day.